imaginations and his palindromes. It was anything but hear the voice, anything but hear the voice. It was anything but hear the voice that says that we're all basically alone. Poor Professor Pynchon had only good intentions when he put his Bunsen burners all away and turned into a playground and petri dish where single cells would swing their fists at anything that looks like easy prey. And this nature show that rages every day, it was then the hardest intuition say we were all basically alone. And despite what all his studies had shown, that what's mistaken for closeness was just a case for mitosis. Why do some show no mercy while others are painfully shy? And tell me, doctor, can you quantify? 'Cause he just wants to know the reason why. They congregate in groups of four, scatter like a billion spores, and let the wind just carry them away. How can calyx be so mean? Our famous doctor tried to glean as he went home at the end of the day. And this nature show that rages every day, it was down your heart as intuition say we were all basically alone. Despite what all his studies had shown, it was mistaken for closeness, it was just a case of mitosis.